Welcome to this video. On this video we're gonna take a look on how we can upload multiple images online. So you can see I just have my basic HTML and we are using jQuery. So this is it. I just have the simple jQuery scripts and my JavaScript and my whole entire body. So this is it. So let me run it and we go take a look at it. So upload. So for more information you can check this site for more information. There are a ton of information here for you to consume. So let's go back so we can browse our image. I just have some few images here. Hold command, you can upload more than, so I just click upload. So I already have them here. Let me upload them completely. It's gonna take some time depending on your internet speed. Remaining one. Upload one file. So everything is complete. So if you are clear here, I'll go to the next image. You see this is it. If you are clear, I'll go to the next one. So guys, this is just the simple code. It's not too much. So thank you guys. Love and share this video, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, and until then, see you guys.